Homeowners searching for window replacement Marque TX want solutions that improve comfort, curb appeal, and long-term value. From residential window replacement, Marque TX neighborhoods to homes near downtown Marque TX. Upgraded windows help reduce drafts, outside noise, and rising utility costs. A trusted replacement window contractor, Marque TX can handle everything from full window frame replacement, Marque projects to precise window glass replacement, Marque work. Whether the property is older or newly built, professional window installers Marque deliver dependable results for every style, size, and room. Energy savings are a major reason many families choose energy-efficient windows Marque TX for their homes. Insulated windows, Marque and double pane window replacement. Marque TX options are especially popular because they help maintain indoor temperatures during hot Gulf Coast summers and changing coastal weather. Marque TX energy-efficient window installers can recommend products designed to lower heat transfer while improving interior comfort. For homeowners wanting practical performance, affordable window replacement. Marque often starts with efficient glass packages and durable frames. Customization matters when homes need a unique fit, style, or architectural upgrade. Custom windows. Marque TX are ideal for remodeling projects, historic homes, and distinctive layouts near Main Street. Marque TX or Bayou Road Marque TX. A window replacement company in Marque may offer custom home windows near Main Street. Marque TX, specialty shapes, and tailored trim options that blend with the home's character. From window frame and window replacement, Marque TX to fully redesigned openings, custom solutions help preserve beauty while boosting performance. Modern styles make a visible difference when homeowners choose new home windows, Marque TX, or complete window upgrade services, Marque TX. Popular choices include casement window replacement, Marque TX for ventilation, sliding window installation, Marque for ease of use, and bay window replacement, Marque TX for expanded views and natural light. Casement and sliding windows. Marque TX area homeowners select often pair functionality with clean aesthetics. Bay and bow window installation near Tiki Island TX also adds dimension and elegance to both traditional and contemporary homes. Working with a professional window replacement company, Marque ensures every phase is handled correctly, from measurements to final installation. Professional window installers. Marque can guide homeowners through custom windows. Marque TX, vinyl window replacement. Marque, storm window replacement, Marque TX, and complete home window installation, Marque TX. Whether the project involves broken window replacement, Marque, bay window replacement, Marque TX, or window replacement near downtown, Marque TX, dependable service matters. For lasting results, homeowners across Marque TX deserve expert craftsmanship, premium products, and tailored window solutions built for Gulf Coast living. Convenience plays a big role when choosing a local installer for home window installation, Marque TX. Residents often look for residential windows near Marque TX, storm window installation Marque TX, and window installation close to Texas City TX for faster scheduling and responsive service. A window replacement service in Galveston County TX can also reach nearby communities efficiently, including replacement windows near Hitchcock TX and the best window replacement Marque TX company. Local knowledge helps ensure proper recommendations for Gulf Coast conditions. Affordability does not mean sacrificing quality when homeowners compare window replacement estimates Marque TX. The best value usually comes from balancing materials, energy performance, and installation expertise. Affordable window replacement. Marque TX are often available in strong, low-maintenance styles such as Marque TX vinyl windows and installation packages. Vinyl window replacement Marque remains a top choice because it offers durability, easy upkeep, and cost-effective performance. For budget-conscious families, affordable window replacement Marque can still deliver excellent appearance and reliable energy savings. Neighborhood-specific service is valuable for homeowners who want a contractor familiar with nearby properties and building needs. Window replacement for homes near College of the Mainland, local window replacement experts near Highland Bayou TX, and home window upgrades near Mainland City Center TX are all in demand as more owners modernize aging windows. A window contractor serving Bayou Road Marque TX understands the varied styles found across the area. Window replacement Marque TX serving nearby Gulf Coast homes should be selected with heat, humidity, wind, and salt air exposure in mind.